I ćao ljudi, sa vama je Naruto Senpai i danas posle dužeg vremena odlučio sam da pokrenem novi serijal koji se zove Naruto Lekcije. U svakom sljedećem klipu uzimat ću drugog lika i pokazivati vam njegove lekcije koje su mu se događale tokom animea. Za današnji klip sam odabrao Naruto, nadam se da će vam svidjeti.
Glad you made it back okay!
We knew you could do it, yeah!
They've all been waiting for you to return. Naruto, you did well.
What's this? What was the enemy like anyway? Did you get any cool
Ow! Hey, come on! Stop pushing me around!
I'm so glad, Naruto.
Hey, you guys, cut it out, would ya? Huh? Hey, Sakura.
You're just so reckless.
You idiot!
Thank you.
I can't believe he pulled it off by himself.
You know, I could almost fall for him.
Huh?
Naruto is amazing, wouldn't you agree? At first, everyone thought he was only a big nuisance, and I was certainly no different. We feared what he might become, so we just kept him at arm's length. We treated him like nothing but a bother.
That Team Kakashi. I hear they defeated the terrorist Zabuza.
Seems that Ninetales boy was at the center of it.
No way. That kid's a total loser. I bet it was all Kakashi's doing.
Whoa! That's the Ninetales kid?
I can't believe he defeated a Hyuga.
Awesome match!
Determined. He never gave up. He always followed his heart and tried his hardest, and he stayed true to his ninja way no matter what he was facing. And slowly but surely, we couldn't help but acknowledge him. We couldn't help but acknowledge him.
Damn! Damn it all!
Word is that he defended the village from the Sand Jinchuriki. Who did? Naruto Uzumaki. You know, that child.
I'm glad the 5th Hokage's been decided. Now we can all breathe easier.
Thanks to Lord Jiraiya and Naruto.
Did they really battle Orochimaru?
I heard he couldn't bring Sasuke Uchiha back.
Boy, I hope Naruto's doing okay.
The Akatsuki killed Lord Jiraiya! How's Naruto taking it?
Naruto's inherited Lord Jiraiya's will of fire.
He hasn't lost heart.
He'll keep forging on, as usual.
Naruto has truly changed the minds of everyone whose lives he's touched.
It's because he never gave up.
The final wish that the 4th Hokage made before he sacrificed himself to save our village was for Naruto to one day be seen as a hero.
Lord 3rd, Lord 4th, there is a hero.
I ljudi, mi svi znamo da je Narutova lekcija broj 1 to da nikad ne odustajemo. Nadam se da vam svide ovaj klip, ako vam svide ostavite like, sub i komentar. I ostavite predlog za kojeg lika da uzmem za sljedeći klip. Hvala.